everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily change your region on Spotify mobile. So follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First, since we're gonna start from the app itself, open your Play Store or App Store and make sure the Spotify app that you have is updated for everything to run smoothly. Now let's quit the store, open Spotify, wait for it to load up, and once it does, tap on your profile picture that should be in the top left corner of the screen. In this menu, choose Settings and Privacy, then scroll all the way to the bottom and find About and Support, tap on it. Now tap Support. It's gonna take us to this browser, so I want to take it to Chrome or the Chrome browser, so tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then choose Open in Chrome browser. From here, in this little area, just type Change Country and hit enter. Wait for the results to load up. We won't really need the results, we just need this little link right here, so tap on it. You get your information right here and country or region at the bottom. So if you tap on this little area, you won't find any other country other than the one you're living in right now. So that's an issue that we're gonna know how to fix right now. So let's go ahead and quit from the browser, go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure to install a VPN, and if you have a VPN already, that's even better. Once you're done, let's go ahead and find VPN. This is my VPN. I'm gonna just choose a random area, or let's say I want to switch my region to the US. I'm just gonna choose the US then. So just like that. Wait for it to start working. Sometimes it takes some seconds, as you can see, so let's just be patient with it. Connecting and connected, just like that. Now we go to the browser or the page that we were in and we just refresh it. So just refresh your page. Once you do that, now you can go ahead and scroll down until you find region. Once you tap on it, now you find the country that basically you chose in your VPN, and you can select it now and tap on Save Profile. Now I don't really want to change my region, but if you guys want to, you tap on Save Profile, and just like that you have changed your region on Spotify mobile. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.